Let us go with the next problem, that is problem number 27 here. Right, what is the missing number in the sequence? It is a simple one. Let us check out this. So we have to find the missing number here in that particular sequence. Let us check out this. Let me write down this: 2, 5, 10, right, then 14, 18, right, 23, 26 and 32. So we have to find this number. Now we need to find the relationships. As you see, you know how to find the missing number, right? Let us check out here. If you go with this, this is the difference between 2 and 5 is 3, and here 5, again it will become 4, and 4 we can't able to find any the sequence, right? Right, let us go with this way, right? 8, 8, okay, this will be better, right? This is right, I think. From year to year, this is plus 8 is there. Again, you leave one number, a middle number, and again check with this. This is plus 8, right? Then again go with this. 18 plus 8 is plus 8, right? Then 26 plus 8 is 26 plus 8, that is 34, right? Let us check from here. 5, this will become plus 9, right? And 14 plus 9 is 23. 23 plus 9 is 32. So the next number will be 32 plus 9 is 41, right? Here 34. The answer here is 34, right?